Hi everyone, so we are going to take a look at the ear and hearing as one of our special senses here. This is going to be the last sense that we talk about. So let's talk about some of the structures of the ear. So the outer ear or the ear canal is going to help bring sound to the eardrum. So when we're talking about our outer ear, we're talking about all that cartilage that is formed around the external medius here, which is going to actually be where we're processing the sound. Our eardrum is kind of in the center further back. This is what helps water stay out of the internal structures here, and it also helps to vibrate and amplify sounds, and to separate them to the inner and middle ear. Our middle ear has 3 small bones in it. These are called ossicles, and these are going to help amplify the sound and help vibrate the sound so it can bring it to our comprehension. Our Acusian tube connects the middle ear to our throat and helps equalizes the pressure within our eardrum. And then our cochlea is our inner ear, and this is going to have the receptors, which are going to bring the sound and signals to the brain so we can interpret what those mean. So this is going to be the part where we're actually taking the information to the brain. All the rest is just helping it travel and get the full information to this cochlea so we can send those signals to the brain. This is why usually when people who have hearing loss, they might get a cochlear implant. This is going to help replace that inner ear so we can send those signals to the brain. So let's take a look what this looks like. So our outer ear here, again, this is part of it, and we can also see our nice outer ear here. Our eardrum is this nice little dome looking part. We can also see our middle ear, some of our ossicles here that are connected. And then inside our inner ear here, our cochlea kind of looks like this shell, and that's going to help bring those receptors to the brain. And our Acusian tube here, this is our connection to our throat. So how do we hear? Our sound waves are going to enter our outer ear into our ear canal and travel to our middle ear. These waves are going to cause that eardrum to vibrate. And as those vibrations pass to the ossicles, it's going to keep moving towards that inner ear. And then that cochlea are going to take those vibrations and send that information to our brain so we can then interpret what those mean. Another thing I do want you to do is take a look at this video at the bottom. It is going to be pretty helpful. It gives a nice in-depth explanation of actually how we are hearing our sounds. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.